Hello and welcome to our video on Adcreative Ai, an innovative platform that uses artificial intelligence to enhance your advertising strategy. You've come to the right place if you're tired of spending hours creating ad campaigns to get lackluster results. In this video, we will review Adcreative Ai and explore its features, benefits, and limitations. So, let's dive in. Artificial intelligence has been transforming various industries, and advertising is no exception. Adcreative Ai is a platform that harnesses the power of AI to help businesses create effective ad campaigns quickly and easily. With Adcreative Ai, you can easily create ad copy, select images, and automate ad campaigns, saving you time and resources. Adcreative Ai's intuitive interface makes it easy to use, even for those who need to be tech-savvy. The platform provides a range of templates and ad formats, allowing you to create customized ads tailored to your brand's needs. The platform's ad technology analyzes your target audience and suggests the most effective ad format and content, enabling you to create compelling ads that resonate with your audience. Adcreative Ai also allows you to automate your ad campaigns, reducing the time and effort required to manage your campaigns. The platform's ad technology optimizes your ad campaigns in real time, adjusting your ads placement, targeting, and bidding to maximize your ads' reach and impact. Adcreative Ai is a website that offers an innovative and user-friendly ad-powered solution for creating effective social media ad campaigns. The platform utilizes artificial intelligence to generate ad campaigns in seconds, making it an ideal solution for businesses looking to save time and resources on advertising. The website's homepage features a sleek and modern design with a clear message that emphasizes the ease and efficiency of the platform. The website provides a simple three-step process for creating ad campaigns, selecting a template, adding content, and launching the campaign. The website also features a demo video that showcases the platform's capabilities and a blog section that provides useful insights and tips for social media advertising. Adcreative Ai is an excellent option for small and medium-sized businesses looking for a cost-effective and efficient way to create social media ads. The platform's ad-powered features help businesses to create high-quality ads without having to invest a significant amount of time and resources. The platform's templates cover various social media platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter, making it easy for businesses to create campaigns across multiple channels. Adcreative Ai is a promising platform for businesses looking to streamline their social media advertising process. The platform's user-friendly interface, AI-powered capabilities, and cost-effective pricing make it an attractive option for businesses of all sizes. Pros: saves time and resources. Adcreative Ai automates creating ad campaigns, saving businesses time and resources that can be redirected to other aspects of the marketing strategy. Increases accuracy. Adcreative Ai uses AI technology to analyze target audience data and suggests the most effective ad format and content, increasing the accuracy of the advertising campaign. Improves ad performance. Adcreative Ai optimizes ad campaigns in real time, adjusting ad placement, targeting, and bidding to maximize the ad's reach and impact, improving ad performance. Easy to use. Adcreative Ai's intuitive interface and range of templates and ad formats make it easy to use, even for those who need to be tech-savvy. Cons: limited customization. While Adcreative Ai provides a range of templates and ad formats, businesses may need to be more flexible regarding customization options. Reliance on ad technology. As with any ad-powered platform, Adcreative Ai's effectiveness relies heavily on the quality of data it receives. The platform may perform better than expected if the data is accurate and updated. Cost: Adcreative Ai is a costly platform, which may be prohibitive for smaller businesses. Adcreative Ai also allows you to automate your ad campaigns, reducing the time and effort required to manage your campaigns. The platform's ad technology optimizes your ad campaigns in real time, adjusting your ads placement, targeting, and bidding to maximize your ads' reach and impact. Who created Adcreative Ai? The creators of Adcreative Ai are not explicitly mentioned on their official website or any publicly available sources. However, Adcreative Ai is a product of a technology company called AdScale, which specializes in developing ad-powered advertising solutions. AdScale is based in Israel and was founded in 2014 by a team of advertising and technology experts. The company's mission is to make advertising more efficient, effective, and accessible to businesses of all sizes by leveraging the power of AI. While the individuals responsible for creating Adcreative Ai are not publicly known, the company's team of experts likely played a significant role in its development. What are the uses of Adcreative Ai? Adcreative Ai is an innovative platform that uses artificial intelligence to enhance businesses' advertising strategies. The platform has a range of uses, including ad creation. Adcreative Ai uses ad technology to create ad copy, select images, and suggest the most effective ad format and content based on target audience data. This feature saves businesses time and resources and helps them create high-performing ads. Ad automation. Adcreative Ai allows businesses to automate their ad campaigns, reducing the time and effort required to manage them. The platform's ad technology optimizes ad campaigns in real time, adjusting ad placement, targeting, and bidding to maximize the ad's reach and impact. Ad optimization. Adcreative Ai optimizes ad campaigns in real time, adjusting ad placement, targeting, and bidding to maximize the ad's reach and impact. This feature helps businesses improve ad performance and get the most out of their advertising budget. A/B testing. Adcreative Ai allows businesses to conduct A/B testing on their ads, comparing different versions of an ad to see which one performs better. This feature helps businesses optimize their ads and improve their advertising strategy. Customizable templates. Adcreative Ai provides a range of customizable templates and ad formats, making it easy for businesses to create professional-looking ads even if they are not design-savvy. Overall, Adcreative Ai has the potential to revolutionize the way businesses approach marketing by making advertising more efficient, effective, and accessible to businesses of all sizes. For whom is Adcreative Ai the ideal fit? Adcreative Ai is an ideal fit for businesses of all sizes and industries that want to streamline their advertising process and maximize their ad performance. Specifically, Adcreative Ai is suitable for small businesses. Small businesses can benefit from Adcreative Ai's ad-powered ad creation and automation features, which save time and resources while still producing effective ads. Digital marketers. Digital marketers can use Adcreative Ai to improve ad performance and optimize their ad campaigns, saving time and effort. Ad agencies. Ad agencies can use Adcreative Ai to manage their clients' ad campaigns more efficiently and effectively, providing better service and results. E-commerce businesses. E-commerce businesses can use Adcreative Ai to create high-performing ads that draw traffic and sales to their online stores. Social media marketers. Social media marketers can use Adcreative Ai to create optimized ads for social media platforms, ensuring their ads are seen by their target audience. Businesses with limited resources. Businesses with limited resources, such as small marketing teams, can benefit from Adcreative Ai's easy-to-use, all-in-one platform, which streamlines the advertising process and maximizes ad performance. Overall, Adcreative Ai is an ideal fit for any business that wants to improve its advertising strategy, increase its ad performance, and save time and resources. Adcreative Ai pricing. What are the options? Adcreative Ai offers a variety of pricing plans, including a free trial, monthly subscriptions, and custom pricing options for enterprise customers. The free trial allows users to create up to 5 ad campaigns, including access to all of Adcreative Ai's features. The monthly subscription plans range from $19 per month to $399 per month, depending on the number of ad campaigns and features included. The plans are designed to be flexible, allowing users to upgrade or downgrade their subscription at any time. Adcreative Ai also offers custom pricing options for enterprise customers who require additional features and support. The pricing for these plans is determined on a case-by-case basis, depending on the customer's specific needs. Overall, Adcreative Ai's pricing plans are affordable and flexible, making them accessible to many users. The platform's free trial is an excellent way for users to test its capabilities and determine if it's a good fit for their business. Additionally, the ability to upgrade or downgrade subscription plans at any time ensures that users can scale their advertising efforts as their business grows. That's all for review of Adcreative Ai. I hope this video has provided you with insights into the platform's features, benefits, and limitations. Adcreative Ai has the potential to revolutionize the way businesses approach marketing, and I believe it's worth considering if you're looking to enhance your advertising strategy. If you want to try out, click the link in the description. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more product reviews. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.